Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be something totally new, something totally different, something out of the norm that I wouldn't normally talk about. I'm going to be doing sort of a review, also doing a kind of like a before video, and then later on I'll be doing the after video. But it's going to be for this Sand and Sky Australian pink clay detoxifying and brightening face mask. So you guys, let me tell you something. I'm not the one to fall privy to these Facebook ads or these Instagram ads or anything like that, because I always feel like it's a scam. So I'm gonna be the first one to say, like, I normally would not do something like this, as to see an ad or something on Facebook and then go purchase it. But it had some really good reviews, and it had a lot of good before and after pictures. Again, I'm not sure if that stuff is photoshopped or not, but from me looking at it, it looked like it was 100% real, but I could be wrong. So I did get the duo. So I got the mask, and then I also got the Flash Perfection exfoliating treatment. So my skin right now, I am breaking out, and just to give you guys a little background of my skin, I've always had acne prone skin. Since I was in high school, I had really bad skin. It was called cystic acne. So my skin would break out, but it wouldn't be surface, it would be underneath the skin. So any topical treatments that I've ever tried, they didn't work. I tried Proactive, I tried over the counter face washes and acne treatments, and nothing ever worked. So I want to say back in 2013, I ended up getting health insurance through my job, and they offered free specialist visits. So the first thing I did was I went to the dermatologist, and I was like, look, please, I need help.
Help me! Help me! Nigga! Help me!
My skin is not working with me. I don't like it. I don't want it. Throw it away. So they, tried to do a few things first. Tried to do some topical ointments for my skin to see if that would help. Of course, none of that stuff worked. So I ended up being put on Accutane. And I'm not going to get too deep into it. If you want to find out more about Accutane, I would highly suggest you go and Google it. But basically, it was a 6-month treatment in the form of a pill that I have to take every single day. And it was basically working from inside my body to help my skin clear up. So it was a process. I think every month I would have to go to the doctor to get a blood test just to make sure that everything was okay. So I'm not gonna get too deep into that, but I will insert a picture of how my skin looked when I first started it, and then I'll show you a picture of my skin as it is right now. But anyways, the reason why I bought this mask is because I've noticed recently my face has been breaking out. So I don't know if you can see, or of course you can see, it's like a big planet on my face, but I have a pimple here, and I have one here, and then I just feel like I'm just getting all these dark spots. So when I was on Accutane, it got rid of everything. Like, I was so overly amazed at how my results turned out when I was done with the 6 months. My skin was clear. It was like I never had acne to begin with. It got rid of the black spots, all the acne scars. It got rid of everything. I even used to break out on my chest and my back. It got rid of all of that. So it is a very lengthy process. It's a little bit more serious than your average wash your face and do this and do that. It's very more in depth because the pill is it's a lot. Anyway, so I ended up wanting to get this mask just to see, because a lot of people said that it got rid of their acne scars, and that's all I want to get rid of. I'm tired of seeing my face look like this. I did not go through 6 months of Accutane for me to revert back to how my skin was before. So just to jump right into this, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So again, this is the Sand and Sky, and this is the Australian Pink Clay Mask. So I literally just got this in the mail today. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so first things first, it comes with a little brush in here. So this is probably, or not probably, but this is what I would use to apply the mask to my face. And I'm going to be doing this on camera, guys, so you can see exactly how I do it. So this is cute. It's just like a little brush. Here, let me. So there it is. There's the brush. And then it comes with a little pamphlet. So this is basically just giving you information on what the product is, what it has in it, and all that good stuff. I'm not going to read that right now. So this is what the inside looks like, and I'm just going to open it up. And then this is the box, or the jar. So it comes like this. And then this is a 2.1 ounce jar. I paid for this, oh my god, how much did I pay for this? It was $80 for both. So $80 including the mask and the exfoliator. I'm not going to do the exfoliator right now because you're not supposed to do them on the same day. So I'm going to do this first because I've already washed my face. I will do this tomorrow and then alternate. So let's get started. So I'm going to open this baby up. Comes with the little thingy. Take that off. And it has stuff on the top. So it looks like this. So it looks like somebody already used it, but I literally just opened it. So when I was watching people do their YouTube tutorials on this, I was skeptical because I was like, well, why does it look like you already used it? You just said that you just opened it, but now I see. So see, we gotta do these things and learn these things on our own. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just slap this stuff on. I'm gonna use the stuff on the top because I'm not wasteful. So I'm just gonna get it. I'm just gonna apply it. And it looks like a little goes a long way. Literally, I just took the stuff off the top of it and it's already kind of done half of my face. Should have probably took my nose ring off. It's okay. It feels tingly already. For 10 minutes. So I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. Right now it is 10:10, So at 10:20, I'm gonna take this off. Okay, so Lord, okay, none of that. So I have about 2 more minutes left, and I kind of just wanted to get in. I'm using my camera on my phone on my front face. I'm using my front face camera on my iPhone, and I never knew that you can zoom in on the front part. So I just want to show you guys where I guess this light, where those spots are. That's where it was detoxifying. I can't talk, this mask is tight. But yeah, you can see where it kind of pulled out or drew out some of those, I guess, what do you want to call it, impurities. So I'm gonna get a warm washcloth, and I'm just gonna wipe this off. Okay, I'll do it on. So I got my warm washcloth, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just wipe this stuff off. And while this was on, it was like a cooling sensation, so that felt really good. That made me feel like it's doing something. So it did have like a cooling type of sensation as it was drying. I highly suggest using a soft towel, like a baby towel, just so it's not super abrasive on your skin. I don't have a baby, nor do I have a baby towel, so I'm just using a regular washcloth. But I definitely recommend just using a baby cloth. Okay, so I was able to get all of, or most of, the mask off of my face. So I do notice that it did close up some of those pores. I do have larger pores, so it did close some of those up. And since I can't zoom in, since I'm using my front face camera, you can't really see, but I will zoom in. So I don't know if you can tell, but right here is where you can really see like all my pores. So I did notice in the mirror when I was looking close that it did clear, or it did close some of those up. It might be a mind thing, but I do notice that my face is brighter than it was before. You guys let me know. Maybe my mind is playing tricks on me, like you just put something on your face, so your face is supposed to look like different. But for the most part, it felt like it was doing something. I'm gonna continue to use it. It does say use it, let's see, 2 to 3 times a week. And since I have oily skin, that is the recommendation, and it says for dry or sensitive skin, use 1 to 2 times a week. So I will be using this 2 to 3 times a week, and definitely will be giving you or keeping you guys updated with my progress. I don't want to just leave you guys in limbo, like did it work, did it not work. So my goal is to get rid of some of these acne scars that I have left over from pimples that just wanted to be rude and pop up on my skin. And I'll also let you guys know how this Australian pink clay flash perfection exfoliating treatment, I'll let you guys know how that works in my next video when I update you guys on my clay mask situation. So I don't wear makeup, so I don't put anything on my face other than a moisturizer, and I just use coconut oil to moisturize my face. So after this video, I'll put some oil on my face and be done with that. So thank you guys for watching. This was just gonna be a short video. I don't want it to be too in depth about my skin conditions, but definitely next time I will go ahead and give you guys an update on how my skin is doing, and I'll try to put some before and after pictures in the next video so you guys can see. So I did take a before picture before I did this video, and then I'll put it side by side. Maybe in a week or two I'll go ahead and I'll update you guys. So again, I'm using Sand and Sky, the pink clay mask, and then I got the exfoliator as well. So hopefully this works, because your girl is not feeling all of these dark marks. You feel me? Like I did not, like I said, I did not go through 6 months of Accutane to revert back to this. So again, thank you for watching. I will be back in 1 to 2 weeks, but hopefully in between then I will have a nail tutorial. As you guys can see, I do have my birthday nails on that I just did on the 3rd, and my birthday was on the 5th. So I haven't been doing any clients. I did take a break from doing nails, so I will get back into the swing of things this coming week so I can have some nail uploads also in conjunction with these updates with this Sand and Sky concoction that I bought off of Facebook. So make sure you thumbs up this video, leave any comments below if you have any questions. If you want to know more about the Accutane experience that I had, I'll be more than happy to make a separate video if you guys want to know more about, you know, the Accutane process and how did it work and how did it go. But I will definitely go ahead and do that if I get enough comments that, you know, ask or request for it. So I hope you guys enjoy your night, day, morning, whatever time you're watching this, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to follow me on my nail page as well at Mani Nailed It, and I will see y'all next time.